Here's how to use the TradeIndia Scraper. Type your preferred keywords, e.g., schools in Pune, in the search bar. Click the search button to start the process.
Music licensing reimagined.
After a short while, your data will be ready based on your search query. TradeIndia typically provides virtual phone numbers, not real or original ones. To obtain the real contact number, simply follow the steps shown.
Artlist.io.
And simply click on Deep Extractor. Our Deep Extractor will attempt to find the original contact number or email address from other reliable sources. Once the data is processed, simply review and download it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Thank you for watching.